The care and maintenance of industrial plants is an investment in the future of the company in order to reduce operating costs and increase productivity. In order to fulfill the diverse requirements of modern plant projects, external services are indispensable in plant construction. However, the recording and invoicing of external services requires a lot of effort, which generates additional costs to the detriment of the client. This time and cost expenditure is significantly reduced by a modern solution. Our online billing portal, independent of hardware and operating system for all trades for use in planning, billing, and documentation of external services. Billing by measurement according to standard service catalog, by the hour at a fixed price, including materials and special services, regardless of location, hardware, and operating system. The workflow from service entry by the contractor and checking by the client through to invoicing of the external service is an additional cost-intensive time expenditure. The billing portal significantly optimizes the operational processes for recording external services, as the billing processes are reduced to a minimum. The billing portal offers a standard that can be adapted to customer-specific processes and requirements at any time. This also includes the connection to software systems such as SAP for carrying out credit note procedures. Customized connectors to other ERP systems are of course also possible without any problems.